Gujarati women are in the forefront, Teesta being the Gujarati woman. So I want to thank all of them, and I want to thank all of you for coming here. Thank you very much from the bottom of my heart. You are all heroes.
We are almost coming to the end of the rally. Then we will have, the candlelight march in a second. Let me invite Hafiz Zafir Ahmad from Islamic Circle of North America, New York chapter.
Assalamu alaikum, and peace be upon all our non-Muslim friends. And thank you so much for your coming here. I am Imam Hafiz Zafir Ali, and I am also from India, from Bihar state. And we all know, we are here, what happened 10 years before. It is really shame for as an Indian, for India, for Indian Muslims, non-Muslims, for all of them. And our Chief Minister Narendra Modi is the symbol of, as Dr. Ghanim Ajaz said, "Tum qatl karo ki karamat karo." He still is not believing what he did. But inshallah, we hope in Indian justice, the system of justice, and inshallah one day he will come, and inshallah we will see what will happen with them. And inshallah, on behalf of ICNA, Islamic Circle of North America, we thank all our organizers, especially Badr Ubaid Bhai, Badr Habib Bhai, and all of you. And we are with you, and we are standing with the justice, as Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Quran, Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu kunu qawwamina bil qist. Oh believer, stand for the justice. And inshallah we are standing here, and we stood with the justice, and we will stand for justice, inshallah.
Your last but not least, I want to introduce my very dear friend Dr. Sheikh Ubaid. He was the leading light of this protest since it started from day one. 10 years of struggle. He has been through a lot. He has sacrificed a lot, personally and otherwise professionally, just for the cause of justice in Gujarat. I'm personally here, my good friend Dr. Sheikh Ubaid, for what he has done. He, along with Bichu Matthew, are the leading light of this movement. Thank you, Sheikh Ubaid, from the bottom of my heart.
Thank you, Said Bhai. You all are. Some of us get to come and speak here, but the work is done by all of you. The time for speeches is not here. We had a long and successful rally. The message that we wanted to give, why did Narendra Modi, he went on this rampage? He thought that in the post 9/11 world, the world will not care. He thought that he could commit a genocide and a pogrom to win an election, and he succeeded for the time being in India. What he did not realize, that you are here, people like you everywhere in the world. He did not realize that Bichu Matthew will be here. He did not realize that Bhairavi is here. He did not realize that Saeed Patel, that all the speakers who spoke before me were here. He did not realize that Joe Lombardo, an American anti-war activist, will come all the way from Albany. He did not realize that people will not let him go. That he did not realize that Reverend Mark Lucas, that a Rabbi Hillel Levine, and all good Americans, all good people of the world, people of the conscience, he did not take them into consideration. So in a post 9/11 world, he thought that he could come here in 2005 and launch his campaign to become the Prime Minister of India. And you see what happened. People like us, that he thought are immaterial, we got together, we launched this coalition against genocide, and the powerful Narendra Modi, his diplomatic visa was revoked. So today when we come back here, 7 years after his visa was revoked, he is still persona non grata here. It has been 10 years that people in Gujarat have been waiting for justice. The message that we wanted to give them today is that we will not forget them. That never again applies to all people for all times. And this message will go loud and clear. Similar rallies are happening all over the United States of America, all over the world, and then we will march, we will continue, we will rally till justice is rendered, till the victims of this genocide get compensation. So once again, thank you all for coming, and the struggle goes on. What my request to you is, do not get tired. Do not get tired, because people in Gujarat are depending on you and on us. So hopefully we will not have to march for a long time, but we will till justice is done. What I'm going to do now request that Silky to come and give the announcement that we will just march with the candle lights. You know, candles, they will be representing all those lives that were snuffed out so prematurely. Silky.
Okay, thanks everyone who's stuck around this whole time. I know it's been, a semi-cold and